Are you in the business of installing security cameras?
Discover the advantages of joining the Lorex Installer Network. As a registered installer, you can get free leads from customers looking for security system installation. Lorex customers now find it easy to locate security camera installers through our installer network.
Lorex Partner Program members, specifically security camera installation professionals, can now promote their business on our website.
Boost your earnings, increase your network, and promote your business.
Join our expanding database of installers who specialize in Lorex solutions. As a premier security camera manufacturer in North America with thousands of daily purchases, we've introduced the Lorex Installer Network. Embedded within every order placed on our website, it grants access to our verified installer database, presenting valuable lead opportunities.
As an installer, you and the client agree to our terms and conditions, recognizing that Lorex serves solely as a platform to showcase companies and does not make direct referrals. Negotiations for installation are conducted independently of Lorex, giving you the freedom to negotiate on your terms and establish agreements directly with the customer.
Join the Lorex Installer Network to discover fresh leads and empower local customers to utilize your services for Lorex product installations in your area. Sign up now at pro.lorex.com/installer to complete your application and begin your journey as a Lorex verified installer.
For more info, email sales@lorex.com.